Here we have a inspection vid for Luke at Highway Auto in Elliott. This is a 2006 Ford Ranger aluminum rear shaft with the big glide-coated aluminum stub and aluminum socket slip. And he's complaining of a rumbling noise that emanates in this truck when he's driving, when it's driving. So I can reproduce that sometimes in the balancing machine, and this is one of those times. This slip yoke is loose, and we'll hear that knocking noise. Just went through the threshold. It'll come back here. Hope it's coming through on the. It's more pronounced at the lower RPMs. Be quiet. There it is. So we'll shut this off real quick. While that's spooling down, I'll try and do this all. Keep my finger out of the way. Lock up both trunnions. And we'll get the indicator over here. Oops. Zero out real quick. Okay. See if I can do this. Yeah, so it's close to 20 thousandths. I'm not really pushing that hard. It's loose in the spline, like that. So, deep back and forth. I really believe that's the knocking noise. This is due diligence to make sure we're chasing the right thing, but that noise that he described manifested itself here pretty readily. I didn't have to really look for it. Right off of idle, basically. So, I'll confer with Luke about this, and we will proceed from there.